guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2-strand twist out. I taught myself how to do this a couple of years ago, back when I hated my curly hair and I didn't want to wear it down, and this was the only way that I would wear it down because this typically keeps it more compact and it's more predictable, I guess. Now I just do it when I want a different look to my hair. I did this to my hair for my wedding, like the night for my wedding I did this, and I did this for my friend's wedding, and just any type of event where I want my hair to look and stay in one place, I do this.
So you're going to want to start with wet hair and then choose whatever product you want to use. I use Eden Curl Natural Defining Cream. You can use whatever you like as long as it's a moisturizing product. So the next thing you're going to do is choose a section of hair that you're going to twist first. It doesn't really matter how big of a section you make, it's all about preference, but this is the size that I usually do for mine. I usually make sure that I tie back the rest of my hair so that it doesn't get tangled in with the piece that I'm twisting. You're going to want to take a decent amount of the product and thoroughly saturate the section of hair. This is where curly hair can get really expensive because you're going to go through a lot of this stuff. So now you are ready to begin twisting. You're going to separate your hair into 2 separate sections and then twist one over the other. You're going to want to make sure that you twist all of them in the same direction. So if you see here, I twist all of mine towards my face. I forgot to mention earlier, but you're going to want to make sure that you part your hair where you're going to want your part to be when you're all done. Once you twist down to the bottom of the strand, kind of twirl the hair around your finger. I do this to the end of each twist so that there's a decent amount of product there, and it kind of just helps them stay in, especially when you're sleeping during the night. So now you're going to repeat that exact process all over your entire head. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys, and I will see you when it's all finished. So this is what it's going to look like when you're all done. Some people choose to wrap their hair in a scarf before they go to bed, but I personally just leave it down and get in bed and wake up in the morning and take it out. So I'm going to go to bed and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it's the next morning and my hair is completely dry, so now I'm going to take the twists out. Essentially, you just do the exact opposite of what you did when you put the twists in. That is pretty much all there is to a 2-strand twist out. I like doing this because it just makes my curls look different, bigger and just more defined. This can be done to just about any hair length. I've done it to my friend's hair before. I did it to my cousin's hair. He is a guy, so his hair is probably about like that long, but it does the same thing. It just makes your hair more defined and your curls bigger and bouncier. It's really all there is to it, and I guess that's the end of this video. So if you guys know any other 2-strand twist methods,
comment those below. I'm interested to see what method you guys use and if you've ever tried this one before. Or if you decide to try this and it works out, let me know. Or if it doesn't work out, let me know too. If you guys know of a different product that works better, the Eden product works really well on my hair, so that's just what I've always used, but I'm always up to try new things, so let me know. Make sure if you have not subscribed yet to go ahead and do that. Also click the little bell so you can see when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.